Another update on the Invacar 12E Brian. As you can see, finally gotten the chassis painted up. Had some good weather, and now a couple of bank holiday weekends, and so I've managed to crack on with a fair bit. Started reassembly, managed to source some coilover shocks from Avo, which are an almost identical fit to the originals, barring the bushes are a bit narrower, so I had to turn up some new bushes, steel bushes for them to get them to fit. But very little work had to be done for that, thankfully. Also see I've got the brake drums and all the components rebuilt. That's the one for the front wheel, not on there yet obviously. But yeah, works started again, and quite pleased with how things are coming together now at last. I've also, well, you can see I've already started to fit the new floor mat in. The ribs are in an unusual orientation. I would expect them to go the other way, but upon thinking about it, I suppose it was put that way for ease of sliding feet across into the driving position. Back here, a new sheet of millboard. I'm going to attempt to make up a replacement for this, which was the dash shelf. And down there you can also see the wheels have been painted. I'm still not very happy with one of them. I had to do a few repairs. It'll get me by, but I'd much rather find another in better condition. Down here we have the windscreen rubbers, beading, bits of trim, all new, ready for reassembly, and still on the little table there, various components awaiting their turn to be reunited. Not a lot more to say really, other than just show you how he's looking now. I did try and make a couple of videos recently for the sake of anyone who is interested, and also for my reference, which is my main reason for taking pictures and videos. I've already gone back and looked at them several times to help me along the way, remind me of how everything was. I've got one of these smartphones now. I've only recently got one, and I tried making some videos on that, and when I went to sign into my YouTube account, I couldn't sign in because apparently with an iPhone you have to sign in with a Gmail email address, and I didn't have one. And when I set one up and then tried linking it to my existing account, and I can't see how you do it. So anyway, there he is. Next jobs are to remanufacture the door and also the exhaust system. There, that's the original exhaust system. I think it might be a bit loud if I put that one back on. So, anyhow, yeah, pleased with how he's coming on. Hopefully be out on the road this summer, but we shall see. Righto, cheerio for now.